Hello viewers and welcome to my YouTube channel. I know you guys have been messaging me, emails, phone calls, text messages and even DMs about real estate opportunities in Ghana and where are the hidden gems. And so I'm going to take you on a journey, on an adventure, on a real estate property tour right here in Ghana so you can know where's best to invest. These are some of the properties that we'll be showcasing on the show, where luxury and modernity intertwines. Some of these properties are based in Airport, Labone, Cantonment. We are going to be showcasing the gem of Ghana. Properties where you're going to be like, wow, I want to live here, I want to move here, or I want to invest in here. These homes are more than just structures, they are a piece of art. Can you imagine that most of these buildings that I will show you are done by architects right here in Ghana? Now let's switch gears and dive into the urban side of real estate here in Ghana. Ghana's cities are a hub of opportunities for local and international investors, and this is the place for you to invest. No exploration of Ghana's real estate is complete without a glimpse of its breathtaking coastal properties. This is where relaxation meets luxury. Whether you're considering a vacation home or an investment by the sea, Ghana's coastline has something truly special to offer.
Denta, Ghana's real estate market is very, very dynamic and it's filled with great potentials. As the country's economy continues to grow, so do the opportunities for smart investments.
Here's an exciting investment opportunity. This apartment complex not only offers you a luxurious, fantastic living experience, but also the potential to get a return on your investment. Before we wrap this up, I want to hear from you, our incredible community. What aspects of Ghana's real estate market would you like to explore in our upcoming episodes? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more captivating properties, investment tips, and unique stories in our upcoming episodes. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell